Same
Cool.
time, we're gonna learn today. We need to learn, both of us. Right? What I've learned, trust me, what I'm learning right now about I'm learning every day. I just learn, innit? Every day, I don't stop learning and doing. It's about learning and doing. As long as you're learning and doing, you have to progress because it's so much to learn. It never stops learning. You know what I mean?
I understand.
It never stops, especially with trying to build a business. Remember, you're trying to build. You're putting out music. You're putting out your own business now. When you decide to put out your own music, you're starting a business, right?
Mm-hmm.
And that's just what it is now. It's not even about like. Yes, I think what is a record company? What is a company that goes out and finds talented people to make music for them, and then once that person makes that music for them, they agree to a contract. They say, "I'm going to make music for you," and then the record company then owns that music that person makes for them. That's all they do, and then the record company promotes that music. It gets everyone to know about it. Once everyone knows about it, they want to use it. They want to download it, stream it, buy it on CD, use it in their movies, use it in their adverts. Then you have to pay the person who owns the music. So whoever owns the finished product, and whoever makes the product, they make all the money. Because speaking, Eminem made $29 million in 2002. Jay-Z made $23 million in 2002. Ja Rule made $4 million in 2002. Jermaine Dupri made $5 million in 2002. All because of ownership of label. You know what I mean? But the artists don't make no money because you're just getting a job to make money for the label, for these people. It's a rubbish job, rubbish thing, man. But now, as an independent artist, you can be you can own the music, you can make the product and own the finished product. You know what I'm saying? So you are the label, and you can be a brand. You have to be a label. Like a label's crap. Like label's a bunch of people who don't make music that just find talented people to promote. As an artist, you make the music, so yeah, you can be a label, but you're just a business, isn't it? You know what I'm saying? That's it. You just got to think about what your business is, what your business is going to be in this new world, because you can market your music, man. Like what I'm teaching you today is actual marketing. This marketing today, all right, so we start the class now. This class today is going to be teaching you marketing. So teaching you the art of marketing, how companies, every business does this, you know what I'm saying? We're going to go over marketing so you understand the art of marketing, what marketing is from a theory standpoint. So once you understand what marketing is, you're an artist. You're an artist already. You just don't know the art. Once you know how to express yourself through this art form, then you can apply what we've learned here today and apply it to your marketing. You'll start seeing marketing differently now. When you're out and about, you'll start noticing marketing. You know what I'm saying? And then once you start noticing marketing, you can use it around your marketing. Everything's about marketing. The clothes you're wearing, everything, the mic I'm using, the laptop I'm using, it's come from marketing. We're going to go through what marketing is in this document. So this is a DIY ENT University, and this is the market report for yourself. Okay, this report is basically made to help you with your marketing problems. I've seen your problems you've got, and a lot of your problems is getting your music heard, getting frequent, consistent listeners. You know what I mean? Stuff that every artist has, which is we want to be heard. That's the main problem we have, isn't it? So let's start the course. So, all right, today's class we'll be discussing the following. Okay, we'll be talking about marketing, promotion, advertising, distribution, and marketing plans, and having a marketing plan. Okay, so it's very important today.
Yeah,
this is based around your problems, right?